Hi guys, Namaste. I'm back here again with yet another video. My name is Payoja. Today we are going to talk about burnout. Burnout हम सबकी जिंदगी में होता है. कुछ लोग बहुत easily अभी गुजर रहे होंगे burnout से. All thanks to corona virus. बट अब सबकी जिंदगी में ये होता है. इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. हमारी लाइफ को एक स्टैंड स्टिल पे ऑलमोस्ट ले आता है. इफ यू आर अवेयर अबाउट इट ग्रेट, इफ नॉट कंटिन्यू वॉच. इट इज नॉट स्पेसिफिक टू ओनली लोग जो जॉब करते हैं. अगर आप जॉब नहीं करते हैं, आप किसी भी तरह का काम कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे हैं, आपकी लाइफ में एक बर्नआउट का फेज आ सकता है. इवन इफ ऑल द लेडीज हु आर वाचिंग दिस, इफ यू आर हाउसवाइफ्स, ऑल द वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स, if you're watching this, even if you are a student, you can also be going through burn. When we talk about burnout, what are the key symptoms to look out for? How are you going to spot that yes, you are going through a burnout phase? उसके लिए it is very important that you ask yourself some very important questions. Okay, मैं अभी आप लोगों से कुछ question पूछूंगी. If the answer to even any one of those questions is yes from you, you are definitely going through a burnout, and you should take that very seriously if you want to increase your productivity, your efficiency, and reduce the overall stress that you have in your life. The first question that I'm going to ask you is, do you have to drag yourself to work every day or most of the days of the week? It is a spot on sign that you are going through burnout. Question number 2. If you feel an immense lack of energy or determination to be consistent with your performance, whether it is at work, your household chores, if you are a student, in your study. Question number 3. If you are finding it difficult to concentrate on one work, your mind is a palace, you're roaming around, okay, your thoughts are roaming around the palace here and there, and you're finding it really hard to concentrate on the work at hand, you're feeling really lazy or pulled back. If it's a yes, you are going through it. Question number 4. Do you feel the lack of happiness or satisfaction from your own achievements or your own day-to-day activities, or whenever you achieve a goal that you have set for yourself? Question number 5. Have your sleeping habits changed? Are you sleeping more than you used to, or are you sleeping lesser than you used to? Question number 6. Are you troubled by some kind of physical complaints in your body? For example, some unexplained headaches or stomach problem, or any such problem that is going on in your body. Or maybe for girls, any kind of skin problems or sudden hair fall that you may see. Even in men, if you see sudden hair fall or an increase in the hair fall, it is an alarm. Now, question number 7, and the most important question, because that is a very important regulatory factor for youth in the 21st century. Do you feel that you have suddenly become habituated, or you are taking the help of things like food, or rather junk food, alcohol, or drugs in any way to feel better, more comfortable, happier, or to not feel at all? If you're doing this, now is the time to change, guys. This is not going to take you 50 years down the line, or help you out in any way, whether it's professionally or even if it is health wise. अगर इनमें से किसी भी सवाल का आपका जवाब हाँ है, तो ये बहुत ही बुरी चीज है. This is not a good thing, because in any way whatsoever it is not going to help you out, whether in the short term or in the long run. Okay, आपको ऐसा लग सकता है अच्छा ठीक है, let me do this for some time, let me overwork myself, और फिर उसके बाद I'll achieve this goal that I'm working towards. It's not going to work out. आपको वो काम करने में शायद ज़्यादा टाइम लग सकता है, या उस काम की क्वालिटी रिड्यूस हो जाएगी, या आपकी खुद की एफिशिएंसी रिड्यूस हो जाएगी, और you are going to take some long term damages to your health, whether mental health or your physical health. Okay, it is not going to work out for you, and that is not the recommended way of doing things. क्यों ये important है? किस तरह से आपकी लाइफ को अफेक्ट करता है. आई वॉज सम टाइम अगो, आई हैव ऑलवेज एक पीरियड आता है आफ्टर 6 months or 7 months, वी ऑल गो थ्रू बर्नआउट्स. उसमें क्या होता है, यू गो थ्रू एक्सेसिव स्ट्रेस. स्ट्रेस इज गोइंग टू increase your blood pressure, give you fatigue. आपने बहुत कम काम किया but you feel very tired very soon. Your efficiency decreases. Counteractively, your productivity also decreases. You're not in a good mood. You're irritable. It is going to lead to even substance abuse, which is not healthy in the long run. It is going to affect your body. When we talk about direct health issues, diabetes, high blood pressure, हार्ट रिलेटेड इश्यूज बहुत अर्ली एज में शुरू हो जाता है. लिवर इश्यूज, इफ यू आर नॉट, योर इंसुलिन लेवल्स आर नॉट इन कंट्रोल, आपके लिवर इश्यूज आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. इवन इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ सब्सटेंस अब्यूज, डूइंग अल्कोहल, आपके लिवर इश्यूज आने लग जाएंगे. So you would be, working yourself out, but in the process of achieving these huge and big goals that you have set yourself, you're burning yourself out. आपकी लाइफ स्पैन जो पहले 80 years की ideally होनी चाहिए थी, it is going to reduce to probably 60 years or 65 years. Okay, so ये सारी चीजें होती. So guys, in order to lead a happier and more fulfilling, soul fulfilling life, okay, you need to take certain steps. अगर आपको आज realize हुआ है you're going through burnout, or you have gone through burnout in the past, या future में भी आपके साथ होगा, take certain steps, take certain measures to avoid it at all costs possible. You are the most important thing ever. आपसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी इस पूरी दुनिया में कोई भी नहीं है, and you should not even hold them more importance. Okay, you are the most important thing in your world. So when it comes to handling a burnout or the burnout phase, the first thing that you should always do is re-evaluate your decisions or re-evaluate your position in life. Whatever you are doing, see, are you capable of taking so much responsibility on your own shoulders? Or is it too much for you? Is it becoming more of a burden than a responsibility? Reduce it. You have re-evaluated your life decisions and the scenario remains the same. You cannot do anything about it. You cannot change it. Seek support. Seek help. If you have around you a support group in which you can have a conversation, let out your feelings and get positive response for yourself, superb. That's the best thing that can happen for you. If not, talk to your family, your parents. Okay, they are your rock of Gibraltar. They are never going to leave you. Talk to your friends. They are always going to understand you. You relate to them the most. They'll be there for you. हाँ भाई ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता था, मैंने ये किया था, तू भी करके देख ले. Okay, talk to your partners. Okay, when you talk to your people around you, tell them what you're going through. Make them understand, भाई मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है, मुझे ये दिक्कत है, please try to understand me, help me out in some way. People who love you, people who care for you genuinely, they will be there for you, help you out in multiple ways, help you take a break. Take a break with your loved ones, go out somewhere, go to the beaches, go to the mountains, go to the plateau, go to the plains, go someplace, spend some quality time with them. Fill yourself up with that love and affection and all those positive feelings and vibes once again. Fill yourself with a lot of energy that you get from your loved ones. That is going to help you a lot. But then, considering that we are all 21st century millennials or the youth, we have a certain way in which we lead our life, and हर बार पॉसिबल नहीं होता पेरेंट्स से बात करना, हर बार पॉसिबल नहीं होता फ्रेंड्स से बात करना, कई बार जेलसी आ जाती है, कई बार बहुत कॉम्पिटिटिव नेचर आ जाता है, बहुत सारे इश्यूज हो सकते हैं, हर्डल्स. उस टाइम पे आप क्या करते हो? आप अकेले रह जाओगे. You have re-evaluated, position remains the same. Try to seek support. No support available. In that case, sweat it out. That's the best thing I can tell you. It has worked out for me also in a very good way in the past. Okay, I was living alone for a very long time. all alone in a apartment. I had no friends around that I could talk to. I was new in the city. Colleagues cannot become friends, especially in the line of work that I was in. My family was far, far away, and back then my relationship with my family was not, very friendly. It was the typical parent-child relationship. So I used to sweat it out in the gym or while playing badminton. It first of all keeps your mind off those stressful topics that you have been thinking about or you have been going through. Secondly, it resets your body. It makes you tired so much you fall asleep, and once you fall asleep, it resets your thought process and your mental cycle. That helps immensely. Trust me on this. Last but not the least, try some kind of a relaxing activity or mindfulness. Okay, relaxing activity में आता है योगा, या फिर आप किसी भी तरह का पार योगा भी इवन आप करते हैं, और if you try meditation, it is going to help. Yoga and meditation has gone, way back to prove its mettle in providing people a lot of stress relief and also giving them a lot of I would say food for thought as to how they should be working and giving them a lot of mindfulness. You should try that out. You do not have to put in a lot of effort there. Just roll out a mat and start it. Okay, there are a lot of ways in which you can practice mindfulness also. One of the very common ones is the breathing process, in which you focus on your breaths, your inhale and your exhale. Okay, try doing that for at least 1 minute, and for sure you'll see that you have become more calm, composed in nature, and it will go a long way in helping you and in also giving you a lot of mental and physical stability, healing whatever has been undone. So this is it for today's video. All the very best to you all. I hope in इस pandemic में आप लोगों का जो भी burnout हुआ है because of the confinement and lockdown and everything, offices नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, there's lack of socialization. I hope this resolves most of your issues. अगर आपको कोई queries है in the comment section, okay, please post it. I'll be very prompt in replying to you, all of you. Make sure you remember to like, share and subscribe this video if you find it really helpful, and I'll be back again with another video for you guys. Bye bye, take care.